Now, so far we did this. Now, you are going to try and construct a sentence with the word storm. You tell me. S, and then T, and then O, R, M, okay, and then Y, okay. Stormy, and then what's that? S, and then K, and Y. Stormy sky, okay. Okay, my turn. M, your turn. O, and then S, and then T, and then L, and Y. Mostly, okay. Your turn. What's that?
C.
Okay, C, and then R, and then I, and then E, and S. Yes. So let's edit this. Stormy skies mostly cries, just to make it into a kind of a nice rhythm. Stormy skies mostly cries. Your turn. O, and then F, off, okay, T, and then H, E, the, your turn, S, okay, and then T, and then O, and then R, and then okay. Okay, the storm we did, so we won't use the word storm, something else. S-T-O-R, and then Y. Of the story, okay, and then
T.
Okay, what's that? Okay, T, okay. Of the story, T, and then H, and then E. Of the story, the, your turn, U, and then N, and S, and then U, and then N, and
T.
U-N-S, okay, U-N-S-U-N, and
G.
Okay, unsung, that's good. Of the story, the unsung, your turn,
B.
V, and then O, and then I, and then C, and then
U.
E. Okay, now read that.
Stormy sky
mostly cries of the story, the unsung voice. That is good. You're doing well. Okay, the unsung voice. Okay, and then your turn. U, and then N, and then D, and then E, and then R, under your turn, S, and then T, and then A, N, D, and then I, and then N, G, understanding. Your turn, I, and then T, understanding it, and then I, okay, my turn, H, your turn, A, and then
V,
and then E, understanding it. I have, what's that?
T,
and then T, okay, TR, yeah, TR, yes, TR, and then I, and then you got it? E, and TRIE and D. Yes. So this is good. So now it looks good. Okay. Now read your poem.
Stormy side,
Mostly cries of
the
the story, the unsung voice, understanding it. I have tried. See, there you are.